Okay, welcome to this part. In this part, we're going to talk about the situation where you can use this contract. So if you have a question about it, what you can do is just press the link in the description to the Discord. Go in the Discord, go in the channel, text us. When you're in the channel, you can just create a ticket and you can text us and we can see if we can help you or not. If you're new to this channel, subscribe. Seriously, subscribe. It's for free. And if you like this video, like it. Seriously, like it. Okay, let's start. So first thing first, before we go into it, we need to understand in what situation can we use this contract, or in what situation do we need to use the contract. So technically what you need to remember is the following. When you have a situation, let's say this is you. It can be you as a person, but it can also be you as a company. So let's say this is you as a company, okay? And you create a piece of software. The piece of software is a code. It can be a code for a plugin, it can be an app application, a code, doesn't matter. You created a code, it can solve a solution. Boom. The thing is, this is the code, this is a source code. Some people prefer to make this open source. There are some benefits to making it open source, but you're not doing that. You are trying to transfer all those rights or sell it to someone else. So let's say we have another company here. Or it can also be a person, so don't worry too much about that. You want to transfer this to these people or this, yeah? Technically, you need a contract, yeah? We will talk about it in the next video. We'll talk about the contract, how it should look like, right? But technically, when you transfer this to another person, you need a contract. And when you create a source code, or when you create an application, when you create a software, you have certain kind of rights on the software. It's important that you identify what kind of rights you have, and if someone's going to buy those rights or you want to transfer those rights to someone, you need to make sure that you know what kind of rights you're going to transfer. So technically with this contract, you will be like, okay, I have these rights, let's say copyright, trademark, or patent, or whatever. Let's say this is in this situation. I want to transfer those rights to this person, and that's how you use this contract. So you make clear what kind of rights you have. You're going to transfer those to the other party. But let's say you be like, hey, but I don't want to transfer my patent, or I don't want to transfer my trademark. You can exclude those rights in the contract. That's why this contract is really important. So this is a situation where you have that. And if you are not sure if you have an application or if you have a software, you're not sure if you can use this contract or not, feel free to contact us. Just go in the Discord, and in the Discord you go in a text us page. In the text us page you can text us and we will see if we can help you or not. So if you have a question about this, just ask it in the Discord. If you're new to this channel and you like this kind of video, seriously subscribe. See the subscribe button? It's for free. Why not subscribe? I hope you guys like this episode, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.